Hello everyone. Uh, this is you are seeing the continuation process of the station building or a station level design. So I just complete the train tracks and also a chunk of the road. As you can see here, this is the end line. So you just go there and I just place some mannequin for the for the reference here, and this is the road chunk. So the train tracks are finished. So this is the like four train tracks. So here is the end. Okay, and this is the road. This is the actually the road section, and here go to here. So I just use the this kind of chunk for the road construction. Okay, this kind of slab chunk here. So yeah, and also for the train line I just use this one, like you can see here. Okay, so from this distance, from this angle, it's looking quite nice. And also I just did some kind of like like arranging the assets, like train line tracks is all the train lines are here. So if you just optic is this one, and then the all the things are gone, the rail line are gone. Okay, and then these are the roads. Okay, and this is lights, and this is the humans, all the human figure or the mannequin are there. So I just love to you have to arrange the folders because there are a lot of assets and all the things. So now I'll try to make it like a train station valley, kind of like a small town, like a western town or something. So like between the rail line, two sides are covered with the buildings and all the things. Okay. So I will start this one. Let's say now is the station prefab building. So I just need to grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay. So at the first, I just need to grab this one and place it somewhere else here. Place it somewhere here. Write this. Okay, like this. Okay. Yeah, something like this. Okay, then I'll have to place something like uh, okay. I'll have to place something like this, maybe just like this. It has a little bit of platform there. So like this, little bit of distance from the rail line. Okay. Okay, and maybe this building, maybe this one, or maybe the other building, like this one. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, and we have to rotate that. It's like this. Oops. We'll have to rotate the building. Yes, and maybe we'll have to just place it somewhere here. Okay, you see it from the side. So three buildings are like this. Okay, or maybe we can put the building like on this section. We can put the building like here. like on this side. Yes. And also we just need to grab it like here. Okay, so like you are seeing it from this angle, so this, yeah. And then what else? Maybe this building, maybe this one, or maybe this one is here. This one, maybe I'll go with this one, like this. Okay, this is a two-story building and this is one-story building, so like this, place it like here. Okay, and maybe a little bit of distance there. Okay. Okay, so this part is done. I guess this part is done. And then you have to do it like this one, and this one you have to rotate. We have to rotate, yes, 180, and then just place it. Okay, place it somewhere. Okay, and then maybe you're gonna have this building also, or maybe the other building like this one. This one is, yes, this one. Oh, 2 times I used it, so okay, like this one. This one we need to rotate, yes, something like this. So maybe we need to place it somewhere in this part. Okay. Okay, yeah, something like this. So the kind of like town, a small town, I'm trying to generate, I'm trying to have a small train station town, so like this. And okay, I'll have to put some buildings like here, so like there as well. A station building is like there as well, and also here. Okay, just need to go to the art section, go there, and you just need to place it like this. Okay, so a nice shadow is coming from the station building. Yeah, okay, something like this. And the another one is like this building, this big building is like here. Okay, and also this one, like yeah, like this one is like, you have to rotate that, yeah, 180, and then we'll have to go there. So yeah, it's like, yes, so have a look for the last time. Yes, I think the town is just generated, small, kind of like a train station based town, and 4 train tracks is there. Okay, okay. So this is like, something like this. And for the, for the gap coverage, you can have some buildings like here as well. You can put, or you can like you can put the buildings like here, problem. Yeah, so we can see the background of it a bit. And also we can have a same building like here as well. Okay, so I think, yeah, I think it's done. I think it's okay for now. And oh, also maybe one top building, like one building is here, something like this. Okay, so I think it's done and time to pack up. So it's like, create a folder, and you have to rename the station station buildings. Okay, station buildings, and you have to put up all the buildings, and go to the station buildings folder, and this one go to the station building folder. Okay, so like click on this. Oops, no, this one, it's like click on this, and yes, all the station building are covered here, back here. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, see it from the distance, like here, like here. Okay, like here. Okay, uh there is a gap, no problem. I'll just cover like here. Okay, it's looking like a small town, like here, there. Okay, yes, yes. So yeah, I will continue again. Well, now is the time for, covering this with the props, and make it like a real station town is going on. It's a town activity. So this is the part. So I will come back again. I will come back again in the next tutorial. Like you can have a kind of a play the station building, or what we are doing it here, like this. Okay, so like, yeah, yes, okay. You see, so it's actually generating, and I will continue it in the next tutorial. So thank you very much, guys, and thank you for supporting me. Thank you for being with me, and keep watching, and keep subscribing my YouTube channel. And I have a Facebook page in the same name, that is Opu Art. Okay. Thank you.